Hello, my fellow Duraks. Welcome to another 10k gameplay with the sweet black-haired whoever that on the top is. She looks kind of cute. Let's see if she can match her outer genetics with her inner skills. Because at least looks like she got a lot of experience. If you know what I'm talking about. So I'm getting granted a king. What do we do with that? Of course we take it. Why should we risk anything with that? I think one of the interesting more tactics is taking cards just in the sake of taking it is not something bad. It is an opportunity where you can build up around the cards you have and create something to defend yourself or maybe even to attack the opponent. Of course, in the end game, it's always important to always be able to defend yourself and rather not lose the game instead of winning the game. Mostly, if you get greedy, 30% of the time it goes out well, 70% of the time you get your ass kicked and you will regret it. So it's as the game says, the loser is the Durak, not the winner is the champion. And now I'm a Durak. In this case, of course, I am a lazy Durak with a lot of good trump cards in this one. So let's go with the lowest card first, which is the 10. Somehow, can we collect something off of those cards? Doesn't look like it, but we can throw away the 8. Wow. Keep the queen. Wow, okay. That's a lot of luck. A lot of trump cards, a lot of cards that are played that I have. Like that, the 9 and then the 7 and that is a lot of luck. I don't know when the last time one was that I had so much luck. And another trump card. So in the end now, of course, we have to lay out those trump cards that are already not played, so they can play them, the 9 and the jack, and then we can end the game as first and as soon as possible to not waste time. Next. 6, 7, 8, 10. Triple 6, doubles. 7 is trump. Gotta keep that in mind. 7 is trump because there are 2 out already. If I see that right. So that could be a free card at the end for whoever gets it. We keep that jack. Play out. That was a little bit too fast. Yes, you have seen nothing. Just like in what was the movie called with the aliens and Will Smith? Exactly. I forgot it because they memory blasted my head out. All right, nice defense. Just keeping it clean. And we're going towards the end game now. I don't know why he's defending with a 9. This looks a little bit risky. But he also has a lot of cards. Maybe he can defend everything that comes. Oh. But he's a little bit unsure. He's a little bit slow. So I'm pretty sure he's not thought this really much through. Or maybe he's just new. Yeah, we're gonna shove that. Because I'm pretty sure there is another 8. No. It must be the last 10. That's okay. Oh no, it's not the last 10. Okay, crap. This one's on me. Okay. Go with the 8s next. Man, I think I messed up the whole game now. I think I messed the whole game up now. Yeah. Clever. Clever. Plays the king trump, so I have to play the ace. Yeah, I messed that one up. That one is on me. That was not necessary. Alright, a full rotation of 7s. High card defense with the 2. Okay. Next up the 10. Since they can't get shoved, we play that first. All the other cards then come next, pretty much, logically, mathematically speaking. Oh, I could have used that 9. Oh, look at that. Oh, not really nice cards. So he's thinking, should he take him or shove him to me, because I think he has more queens than that. But now he's in a situation where he kind of needs to play with a queen, but he's not sure if I have them. And he does it quite well. He does it well, definitely. He does it well. Gotta admit that, yeah. So let me wait a little bit. Oh, that could have been my end if I played both 9s. I couldn't see that coming. I hope that he plays either the ace or the queen. Here we go, the ace. Give me the... Oh, here we come. Here comes the queen. Got your back. Didn't think of it. You didn't think of it? Alright, okay. GG's to you. And no draw also. That messed me up.